Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be taking a glimpse at your personal as well as professional life. So I'll be taking one card for your energies. First of all, okay, two cards have actually flipped out. I think I'll include both of them. This is your general energy. Okay, just come up like this, so let it be. Okay, and then one card for your professional life. What's going on the professional front of Aquarians? Okay, the King of Wands. The best course of action or any advice or message on the professional front is the Six of Swords. Okay. So let's talk about the personal front now. One card for the general energies on the personal front is the Strength. Okay. The best course of action, any advice or any message is the Star. Okay. So as far as your general energy is concerned, Aquarians, you are indecisive over something, you want to make up your mind, you have to take a decision over something, you are just juggling to and fro, your mind is saying something else, your heart is saying something else, and the thing is you are not able to make up your mind. So you've just left it, you've just surrendered to the situation, you're just letting things unfold as they will, and you're just giving it time to heal. It's you're giving it time to come to a conclusion or some sort of decision to unfold naturally. Okay, or you just want more time to take a decision, it can be anything, but what I feel is you are not doing anything actively to take a decision, you've just left it and just praying to for some in some way shape or form, you're just praying that you are able to take a right decision. And for that we have the Chariot, the Hierophant, beautiful, and the Page of Swords. So what I feel here is this decision which you are trying to take is regarding a relationship or a commitment over here. Anything which is long term and stable. Since we are talking about professional as well as personal life here, so it is something which you want to move forward. You want it to be under your control. You want to take action on this. You want things to roll on very fast, and this is something which is stable commitment. You view it as a long term, so it can be a marriage, it is a commitment, definitely a committed relationship over here. You want things to move fast, and with the Page of Swords being there, you want some sort of clarity in this situation. You want some clarity as to which way to move forward, because you really want things to progress fast regarding this aspect, whatever this is, which is long term and stable, be it on personal or professional front. But you're not able to take a decision as to how should I do it, how should I let things move forward at a good pace. Maybe things are too slow for you. Okay, you want them to pick up pace and it's not happening, and you just want a new idea as to how you are just trying to discern as to how should I make it possible, how should I make it move fast, how should I let it happen, how should I make it happen, type of a thing. On the professional front we have the King of Wands. So you are sitting in a very authoritative and a very good status, position, stability, money, whatever. You are sitting in a very good position over here. So for this King of Wands we have the Ace of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Ten of Pentacles. So as far this is a professional front, you have the clarity. Perhaps you've had a new beginning, or if you had incited a new idea, if something new was done with a lot of clarity, or some new idea was put in, things have really worked in your favor. Okay, and you have got a stability over here. Maybe if you were looking for a promotion, if you were looking for something like that, some sort of stability and happiness, or maybe you were on probation and now you've become permanent, it can be that. Or maybe you've got a promotion, something has happened in the long term which has given you a commitment and a stability on the professional front, just because it was a small step or a small idea, something has happened which you've done, and it has just rolled the ball in your favor. The most likely course of action, the best course of action is the Six of Swords. So maybe you're leaving something behind and moving towards peace and happiness. So let's see what it is. What is the Six of Swords about? This is Three of Swords, the Justice, and the Five of Swords. So what I feel is that you're leaving behind whatever was troubling you. Since things have started rolling in your favor, you are getting whatever you want in life now, you are getting the stability in your profession, so you are letting go of whatever was troubling you, whatever the fights were, whatever the hardships were, whatever the things is. Things are now getting balanced in your life. So since the things are getting balanced, decisions are being made in your favor, you are letting go of whatever was troubling you, the anxiety, the hard work which you were doing, and there was a time when things were not coming to fruition. So now things have sorted in your favor. So perhaps you are leaving behind these fights, these heartaches, and whatever it was troubling you. As far as your personal life is concerned, we have the Strength card. So there is something which you are dealing with a lot of patience, courage, determination. Let's see what it is. Why is this Strength card on the personal front of Aquarians? We have the Lovers, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Empress. Okay. So what I feel is, in this situation, there is a connection here which is very, very strong and passionate. But what I feel is you want a new beginning in this direction, but things are moving very, very slow. Things are, with the Knight of Pentacles being there, things are not progressing, things are not moving forward. Perhaps this is what it was talking about. Maybe the other person is not committing, maybe the relationship is not progressing, and that is what the energy was picked up over here also, that you want commitment and marriage from this person. You are just looking for the ways and means and the idea as to what should be done in this direction, because the progress of the relationship is very slow and you want a new beginning with this person, and it's been a long time. You're waiting and waiting and waiting. It's really a lot of perseverance and determination and willpower, but yes, you really want things to move forward. The best course of action is the Star. Star is wish fulfillment, happiness, dreams coming true. So maybe you will be able to do that. Let's see what is the Star about as the best course of action here. So for the Star, we have the Queen of Swords, the Eight of Cups, and the Six of Cups. So what I feel here is the best course of action is with the Queen of Swords, the Eight of Cups, and the Six of Cups. So for this wish fulfillment, you need to let go of, if you are not communicating with the person, you need to let go of that. You need to let go of whatever is holding back, whatever is detaching you people. If there is anything you're not communicating, you're not investing, if you're not talking to them, you need to let go of that, and you have to go towards this person for reconciliation, and then you have your dreams come true. Your wish fulfillment will be there once you let go of whatever has caused problem in this relationship. You have to let go of that, and then the reconciliation comes in. Happy times come back. So you have to let go of this fight, whatever the fight was about, or whatever the argument was about, whatever is causing the problem in the relationship, because of which perhaps you people are not talking or talking minimum. There is something here which is causing a detached energy. Okay, you need to let go of that, and then happiness will come in with the Six of Cups. Let's see anything else, any additional guidance, any other message for Aquarians. Okay, we have the Four of Swords, the Emperor, and the Three of Cups. Yes, which is again a reunion. So with the Four of Swords, the Emperor, and the Three of Cups, you really need to heal yourself. Just give time to yourself. Things will be back in control, and there is a reconciliation, and that is what you want. Maybe this person is a little dominating, maybe that is the energy of the person, or maybe you are in awe of the person that you're not able to speak up, can be that. But yes, you do want a reconciliation. If you're not able to speak up directly or talk about this, what you want directly to the person, maybe that is what you need to communicate. It can be as simple as that. Maybe there is no fight and nothing, but things are going slow and you want them to commit or something like that, then maybe you are not able to communicate that. So perhaps maybe because this person is authoritative, dominating, you don't have the courage to do that. So maybe you have to do that. The Queen of Swords, you need to let go of this non-communication of for whatever reason it is. So you need to communicate whatever you want to, what you feel for this situation or this person, and then the happiness comes in. So Aquarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.